So this is a project that involves integrating TriScan with a web app that was built on Node.js and Express with MongoDB as a backend. So this is the landing page. So from here, I can decide to get started and create a new voting process. So these are the parameters or fields necessary to have a new election process. So let us call this the election title. Let us say we decide to use it to host the recently concluded Ballon d'Or. Then for the Pisco wallet address, this is the wallet that we decided to handle all voting activities that will come from this process, as the voting involves deducting choice from a particular wallet. So this wallet address must have enough algorithms and choice tokens to handle all transactions for especially for the voting. So I already have one for my test net. Let me get it. Then as for this is the 25 word phrase of the wallet generated for the voting process. So let us say this is this. We decide to use this. I also have that. This word phrase must also be sent to voters, as they require it for when they are about to actually vote. So for candidates, this should just be the candidates necessary that are going to take part in the election process. You get. So for this now, let us say these are candidates. For number of voters, the minimum number of voters can be is 2. Let us say this is something like 10. And for choice per vote, let's make it 2. Yeah, 2 choice per vote. So we can just create the new election process here. This process takes a while, as it involves generating wallets for each of these candidates and then funding the wallets with maybe a certain amount of algorithms, and then adding these wallets to the choice network so that they'll be able to receive the choice tokens when we send them during voting. So this is the page that will take us to after we create a new voting process. So we have to copy this election ID before we leave this page, as this is what will be used to find votes or election processes later. We decide to do this here. Then for each candidate, we generate a particular ID for them that will be required for them when they are about to vote also. So let us say we decide to, and then here is all our candidates. These are all our candidates with their particular addresses that will be found and the balance of the address. So let us decide to handle the voting now. So in case there are supposed to be like a few spectators for the entire election process and they are not allowed to vote, you can watch by just inputting the particular election ID and find election. So this is it here. So this page was integrated using socket.io, so there will be no need for refreshing in order to see changes in the balance, as it will be automatically refreshed whenever there is a vote event. As you can see, so the socket is already connected like this. So if a vote happens, this leaderboard will be updated. So let us decide to go and vote now using our powerful choice coin. So here, election ID, and then for our voter ID, we can enter any of these, but if we do not enter a valid voter ID, it shows us that none was found for it. So let us just input valid credentials. So this will decide to join the vote. So this is everything, all our candidates and their current balances and all. So this is the status of the project, the dates created, the choice per vote. This is your voter ID, these are your candidates, and then this is the 25-word pattern of the wallet address that is to be used for the wallet that is used for the voting process. So let us say we have this, and let us say I decide to choose my own personal candidate for the volunteer, Robert Lewandowski. Then I click on vote. So as you can see, it carries the form away from me here as it is using socket.io, so there's no need for me to refresh the page, and this is to stop people from voting multiple times. Then we'll soon see the update in the leaderboard currently. So as you can see, vote successful, and then your leaderboard has been updated automatically in real time. So let us say we decide to come back and monitor these votes, or if spectators are here, the election ID. So you can see this is our election here.